In this video, I'm going to share with you how to repair a broken seam. As you can see, somebody tried to repair it, but they used a very different type of thread, different color of thread. So it looks very obvious and it's not very pretty. So I'm going to show you how to repair it the right way. Here's what I'm going to be using for my project: a medium-sized needle, some gray thread, scissors, a measuring tape, and a small piece of fabric that I'm going to use to demonstrate. I turned the pants inside out because in this case, this is where you want to do your sewing. As you can see, they chose a bright blue thread for this gray pair of pants. That's why it was visible on the right side. We want to make sure we use a thread color that is very similar to the fabric. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this thread. Here's the open seam after I took out the bright blue thread, and now I'll prepare to sew. To demonstrate, I'm going to use this piece of white fabric so it's easier for you to see the stitch as I do it. So for beginners, I suggest that you draw a line to guide you as you do your back stitch. First thing, I'm going to go in from the opposite side or from the wrong side. And I created a knot at the back so that your thread doesn't go through. So we're going to start the first stitch here. Pull through. Since this is back stitch, you're going to go back into that first hole that you made and go forward. The bottom line shows my last take that I did off camera. As you can see, it's a lot neater and straight. So practice until you sharpen your skills. Never give up. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. Please be sure to give me a like if you did like it and subscribe. See you in the next one.